Hi everyone, this video is for Yamaha Natural Sound Graphic Equalizer EQ70. This is vintage, made in Japan. This is excellent equalizer. There's a output level, that's a volume, and 10 band right side, 10 band left side. Equalizer on and record for tape. And also this video is for the Yamaha stereo receiver CR552. This receiver was released only for the Canadian market, very rare, vintage, because the rare the front black panel, that's the only for the Canadian market. It was released during the 80s. Both of them are in very good condition except some minor scratches or nicks here and there. You can see the body for the receiver, excellent condition. Considering the age, in excellent shape. This is the volume, and that's the balance for the left and right channel. Stereo, source, aux, phono, FM auto, FM mono, AM. This is for the tuner. Okay, let me show you the back of the Yamaha equalizer, and also for the Yamaha CR55. Okay, this is the equalizer. One AC outlet that is unswitched. You can see the model number. Okay, that's the equalizer, and this is the CR55, the back of the receiver, stereo receiver. You can see the specification. You can use 4 speakers at a time. Okay, that's for the phono, aux, tape, and for record. This is for the antenna, ground, and FM AM part. Okay, let's play some music. Just a sec. All right. Let's increase the volume. Everything's working nicely. It is in very good condition. Anyway, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.